Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So today's class is mathematics class, and we are doing here chapter 1, numbers from 1 to 10,000. So let's start. So today's topic is ascending order and descending order. So ascending order means to arrange numbers in increasing order. That means from smallest to largest, or we can say smallest to biggest. And descending order means to arrange numbers in decreasing order. That means from largest to smallest. Ascending means smallest to largest. Descending means largest to smallest. Now let's do some questions over here. These questions are on page number 13. Question number 6 first we will do, and we have some parts. So question number 6, A part is we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest to biggest. So first we will find out among these numbers which one is the smallest number. So how can we do so? Let's check the first digit in each number. So here first digit is 8. Here first digit is 1. Here first digit is 8. Here first digit is 9. So among these digits 8, 1, 8, 9, which one is smallest? Obviously 1 is smallest. So what we will do? We will keep this number at first place. Now this number is done. Let me cut it. Now we have to compare among three numbers which we have left after this number. So here we have number 8475, 8623, 9182. Now let's check after this number, after 1938, which one should be at second place. So that means we have to check the first digits again. So here we have 8, here we have 8, and here we have 9. So which one is smallest among these three? So obviously 8 is smallest. So here, but here we have 2 8. That means we have to compare now between these two numbers. So for comparing, we cannot compare now. We cannot compare now with the first digit. Now we have, that means we need to go to the next digit. Here next digit is 4. Here next digit is 6. So which one is small? 4 is small or 6 is small? Obviously 4 is small. So let's keep this number at second place. So let me cut it because I have already written here this number. Now we have to check between these two numbers. As we know, before we were comparing this number and this number. As we have already written this number, that means third place should be occupied with this number and last should be this one. So now let's go to the B part. In B part, what we have to see, we again have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means again smallest to biggest. So let's find out the smallest number. Again we have to see the first place in each number, first digit in each number. Here 7, again 7, again 7, and again 7. So we cannot compare at first place. So we have to go to the next place. So next place here is 1, here is 2, here again 1 and 8. So which one is small? Here 1, 2, 1 or 8? 1 is small. So but we have two ones here, means in this number also second place is 1, and in this number also second place is 1. So we have to compare between these two numbers. That means we should go to the third place. So here third place is what? Third place is 8 here, and here the third place is 9. So which one is small? 8 is small or 9 is small? 8 is small. So let's keep 7, 1, 8, 9 at first place and cut this number because we have already done. Now after this number we will write this number because here in this number second place is 1. So let's keep this number over here and cut this number too. Now we have to compare between these two numbers, this one and this one. So here we can see second place is 2 and here we can see second place is 8. So which one is small? 2 is small or 8 is small? 2 is small. So let's keep 7, 2, 8, 9 first and fourth should be 7, 8, 2, 9. So this is how we can arrange the numbers in increasing orders. Now here we have two more questions related to increasing order only and question 6. So you have to do these two questions in practice. If you stuck somewhere, let me know. I'll explain it again. Now let's talk about what is decreasing order. So decreasing order means arranging the number in, first we will write the biggest number and then we will write the smallest number. So again, we have to follow the same steps. First, compare the first digit in each number. Here 8, 8, 5 and 6. So which digit is biggest here? Obviously 8 is biggest, so we can compare between these two numbers. Now we cannot compare the first place because in these two numbers we have first place digit same. So let's go to the next place digit. So next place digit here is 7 and here also 7. So now we again cannot compare second place with second place digits. So third place digit is 4 here and 1 here. So which one is biggest? 4 is biggest or 1 is biggest? Obviously 4. So we will keep this number at first place like this and cut this number and keep this number at second place because we were comparing these two numbers. So keep this number at second place and cut this also. Now we have to compare these two numbers. Now we can see here first place is 5 and second place is 6. So 6 is greater or 5 is greater? 6 is greater. So we can write 6 to 7 3 first and 5 to 9 8 after it. So this is how we can do the comparing, and we can this is how we can arrange the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order is biggest to smallest. And now please do B part and some questions, some practice questions of this question number 7, C and D. And then we have some homework questions which is related to our previous work. So now please complete these questions and let me know if you have still doubt in increasing and decreasing order. Thank you.